got the infrared projector and sensor, and then we use the device camera.
And that'll be embedded in devices eventually at some point.
It could be, yeah. I think that's
Okay.
TBD. There will be a dongle that'll be shipping from PrimeSense that developers can use to plug into existing devices. Much like this, but a production quality version.
This is JJ. We used to work with him. He's going to be helping us.
So, after selecting a mirror, you're at this first screen here, which familiar to any AR developer where you're looking for your target. We're going to choose this table. Smart Terrain will actually work on any flat surface, and it'll detect the objects that are on top of that.
Okay.
So as soon as I hit next there, you immediately see a snapshot of the mesh that was created instantly on those objects. As I move around the sides of objects, you'll see more mesh come in on the objects, mesh that I didn't perhaps initially see. So I've got a pretty good representation of these objects. That blue line around the table is the table boundary.
Usually like a 90-degree swipe around the edges works? Okay.
Yeah, you can. I didn't get the
two sides kind of.
The back of these objects because for this demo it's not really needed.
Make some assumptions.
Yeah. So when I hit next, you're going to see the terrain grow across the tabletop here. The grass will run up to the objects, and then the stone will grow around the objects that are found. You also see the vines wrap around the vase. And we've done some light classification of objects, stone versus vines, based on size. When I hit start, now the enemies are going to come out of the wells and interact with the objects and come towards the mirror. So being an AR game, I can control the camera and get in close to this option, and then I can rain fireballs down at these guys from my tower, or even into the objects here, to the vase behind me, starting to interact with those. This guy's actually climbed up on top of the tissue box, so I can get down here and send him flying off there.
Cool.
And then the last piece, which I'll show you here, is the toy capture.
And when they showed this yesterday, was this using AllJoyn? Because he brought another device in, and
no, this is just Vuforia as well. It's just a different feature. So
gotcha.
This is a known model.
Well, hopefully that's not Tom's dragon with the broken wing. Okay, inside joke.
So I captured it, and now I'll just complete that animation. And we've brought Snapdragon back into the scene, and I can have him enter in and clear these guys out. Nice. So a good physical to digital toy unlock there.
Very cool. Nice.
What's that?